3. I'm a little bit jaded already, earlier than I think I've ever got up before, but this is the start of something very, very exciting. Can't wait to share it with you, and I'll see you soon. We're at Peas Cottage Services at the moment, loading up the cars onto an EM Rogers truck. Thanks to them for arranging this for us. There's some special cars being loaded up here this morning. 4 in total. They're then picking up another 2 on the way, and they're going on the way to Glasgow. We're flying up, so we're nice and fresh for when the cars get there, and we're going to start the Tartan Florio tour with Supercar Driver, and we're all very excited. And I'll see you up there. We've arrived at Marhall Hotel. The cars will be here tomorrow. A couple of people are already here, and we're going to have a bit of lunch, chill out for the day, wait for everyone to arrive tomorrow, and then the big drives start on Sunday. So quite exciting times. We'll show you a bit of the hotel and see you a bit later. They've arrived, finally. It's a daunting task taking some friends' very expensive cars from Gatwick to Glasgow, but finally they're here. EM Rogers have done us proud, they've all arrived safely, and we're ready to start the tour for tomorrow morning. We're just going to get them unloaded, get them safe. There's a designated parking area here at Marhall, and we're all just so excited to make a start. So I'll catch you in a bit. couple of days at Marhall, we've had a bit of a relaxing session. All the cars have turned up, and today's finally the day where we start to take a drive. We're going from Marhall here, just 10 minutes north of Glasgow, and we're going to the Isle of Skye today. Nice careful drive, I think, through more of the touristy areas until tomorrow, when we can start to open the cars up and have a bit more fun. But I mean, look behind me, look at the car park. There's some absolutely stunning cars here today, and I can't wait to make a start. So see you on the road.